Welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about 11 spring fragrances. So finally spring is here and we can enjoy it. So I decided to compile 11 fragrances for you to recommend to this, spring season. Of course, I could be rambling about it for hours. I have many fragrances that are suitable for spring season. However, I decided to narrow it down to 11. I had actually 10 fragrances prepared, but last minute I just threw in like last fragrance, 11th fragrance, so you will see what is it. So if you are interested, please stay with me. My name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So alright, the first fragrance actually that was thrown in here last minute is, of course, Sora Malow. This one is just beautiful and exquisite. If you like fragrances like Oriana from Parfums de Mali, Love Don't Be Shy from Kilian, if you like your violets, if you like raspberry, I think this one will be just perfect. It is not dupe of any of those fragrances I have mentioned. However, it has fractions of them. If you like powdery fragrances, fruity fragrances, this one will be for you. If you like, for example, those raspberry candies, it has this, aspect of raspberry candy. Mallow will be for you definitely. If you like your violets, powdery violets, like also candied violets, this one is just exquisite. You can't stop sniffing it. It's so beautiful. And, gives you this luxurious feeling. Mallow from Sora Dora is just perfect for spring. It's slightly more sweet than the others I will show you in a moment. But if you are craving something that is semi-gourmand, Mallow will be perfect. Giardini I also love so much, but Giardini for me is for more and more for colder months. Now when we have more sun and temperatures are higher, now Mallow will be just perfect. So yeah, that's the first fragrance. Another one is a cheapie and it's a dupe from Maison Alhambra, and I'm talking about Narcotic flowers. So this one is, of course, dupe for Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotique. I really like this one. I really like the original, but I do like this one because it smells for me exactly like the original. 98%, 99% similar. It has this cold peony and rose, and they are laying down on this beautiful musk, which is slightly animalic in my opinion. Very good. Very good. Long lasting as well. The more it sits on your shelf, I think the stronger it gets. So beautiful, exquisite. Not that maybe original. It is a DNA that you may know from somewhere. It is not a dupe of anything in particular. Of course, I'm talking about Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotique and the scent profile, because of course I'm talking about the dupe of Fleur Narcotique. However, it is not a dupe of anything like Ex Nihilo per se, but you may know this DNA. And at the same time, it is so, refreshing, so new. It's very hard to describe, but this one is strangely pleasing to me. And I thought I'm not going to like it because it has peony. Sometimes I do not like peony in perfumes. They are like run-of-the-mill with the peony. But this one is just amazing. It gives you freshness, sexiness, carelessness. Very nice. So Maison Alhambra Narcotic Flower. Another one is from Room 1015. And this one is just a powdery, musky goodness. It's Sonic Flower. I really do like this one as well. This one has this slightly lipsticky vibe, but without anything too sweet, too cloying, too powdery. It is like clear powdery musk. That's what it is. Very beautiful. The lasting power is medium, I must admit, but I really do like the fragrance. You have orris root in here. You have carrot seeds. It smells like new clothes for me. New clothes with musk. It is very hard to describe as well, but that's the feeling I get from this fragrance. So good. I really do like Sonic Flower. It's unusual, original, just like the whole Room 1015 range Very, very beautiful. Yeah, Sonic Flower from room 1015. And now something cheaper, because I have a little bit of everything actually here. So yeah, I have in here Sarah Jessica Parker Lovely. If you like those beautiful musky again fragrances, flowery fragrances, it has lavender as well. If you like Narciso Rodriguez for her perfume, this one will be for you exactly, because it's a good dupe for me. It's not 100% exactly the same, but it has this vibe, you know. Some people even say that they stopped buying Narciso Rodriguez because Lovely is just enough, and I can totally agree. In case, you know, at least in my case. Yeah, so this one is flowers, musk, clean, powdery as well, slightly mature for some people, so you need to test it out. But in general, this one is very, very pleasing. So yeah, Lovely from Sarah Jessica Parker. Another cheapie will be from Joop, and this one is Le Bon. And if you are on a budget and you want the fragrance that smells similar to Tardes from Carner Barcelona, look no further, because this one is really, really similar. It's slightly more harsh, more dense, and more sweet. However, overall, in the dry down, they are very, very similar. So if you like your Tonka Bean perfumes, I think this one is just perfect. It is original, it is from 90s, but it's by no means old school, for me at least. It has aldehydes also in the olfactive pyramid. However, you do not need to worry, because it's not like aldehydic in Chanel No. 5 style or anything like that. So if you like those slightly creamy Tonka forwarded fragrances, this one will be just perfect. And Le Bon means bath in French. So yeah, it leaves you clean, powdery, and you know, you just feel good wearing this fragrance. So yeah, Joop Le Bon, cheapie but goodie. Another one from this clean realm, and actually the name of it is Clean Reserve Skin. So this one I like I really like this one. That's what I wanted to say. This one has praline, this has musk, some flowers. So nice. It's quite transparent. It's like the scent of your skin, but better. So yeah, if you are looking for something clean smelling, but at the same time enveloping and powdery, perfect for spring, I think Clean Skin Reserve will be just perfect. I really like this perfume. So yeah, Clean Skin Reserve for spring for sure. Another one, as the spring is time of flowers, of full blooms, you know, so this one is just perfect for that. Nuit Nomade, Love at First Sight. So this one is for lilac lovers. If you love lilac bushes, the smell of it, this one is just divine. This one is just exquisite. It is a lilac bush basically combined with passion fruit. That's what I get from this fragrance. It's juicy, it's flowery, it's sunny. It is as if, you know, the ray of sunshine will be falling on lilac bush. That's the feeling I get with this fragrance. Very beautiful, romantic, carefree. So nice. One of the best flowery fragrances out there, and definitely for me, one of the best lilac fragrances out there. So yeah, Nuit Nomade, Love at First Sight, very beautiful. Another one is from EPC. It's new in my collection. I really do love it. I must tell you that I really do love also EPC team. I have met them in Accents, and I really love them. Absolutely, so nice. And I have from them Cardamom Moss. So this one is just amazing. This one is just amazing. The hype is real for this one. It has, of course, cardamom, and it's slightly green, mossy. And it has this slightly Baccarat Rouge DNA. So it's like more natural, more green Baccarat Rouge with cardamom. So if the, you know, Baccarat Rouge would be smelling like natural, I think that's the smell. Of course, it's not a dupe, not anything, but you know, when you have this oak moss in the base, sometimes perfume smells a little bit like a Baccarat Rouge. I don't know why, but that's the case apparently. It doesn't have saffron, so nothing of the sort, but it's beautifully sweet from cardamom. It's like this spicy green. Oh, very, very beautiful. It's perfect on its own and to layering. So yeah, Cardamom Moss from EPC. And two last fragrances. One of them is Celeste, of course, from Giardini, Toscana. So we are going back to this violet situation in here. So if you like your violets with milk, powdered with sugar, this is the one. This is the one that smells like violet and sugar, basically. So, so beautiful. It is airy as well. It has this salty note in here, which you do not need to be afraid of it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. You do not need to be afraid of it because it gives the air to the fragrance. It is not too sweet then, not too suffocating, very beautiful, refined, elegant. That's Celeste. So nice, so nice. So Celeste from Giardini Toscana, I think it's perfect for spring as well. And the last one I have here, 10 ml. It's YSL Libre, and this is the latest flanker of Libre. And I have in here YSL Libre L'Absolu Platine. This one I like the most from all Libras that are out there. This one has aldehydes, but do not think again those aldehydes from Chanel No. 5, too old school, nothing good, you know, that's not it. This one is a Libre threw in to the, you know, washing machine. It is clean, it has lavender, it has this bubbly fizzy feeling thanks to the aldehydes. It has orange flower as well. So, so beautiful. So it's basically like very, very clean, bubbly, soapy Libre, but it's still prominent and pungent as well. I mean, pungent, not in a bad way, but it's strong. Maybe I wanted to say it's strong. So if you like Libre, but you are missing something, missing some bubbly and fresh, uplifting element, YSL Libre L'Absolu Platine, that's what I suggest you to try. And yeah, that was it. 11 fragrances, perfect for spring in my opinion. As I said, I have many more I could be talking about, but you know, I didn't want to keep you too long. So let me know what are your types of spring fragrances. Thank you very much for watching today and see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.